Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be showing you how I got this 5x5 closure wig into this half up, half down kind of style. So if you want to see how I got it and where the hair is from, then keep on watching. Okay dolls, so this hair is from HairsMarket. This is the packaging for the hair. So you can see the box, and then the hair came in this bag. Also, I believe the box was inside of this bag, so you can use this also. As well, in here they have a little pamphlet that gives you like other different things that they have to offer, like different closures and bundles and stuff like that. Also got some wig caps, and let's see, this looks like either a bonnet or a scarf. I haven't opened it. Okay, so yes, it is a bonnet, and it is an actually adjustable one. So that is great. I don't have one of these for myself with the adjustable little thing, but I bought some for my baby with the adjustable thing. So now I have one, and I love to use a bonnet like to take a shower, not necessarily to sleep, but yeah, that's super cute. And it's actually also kind of well, it is reversible, so you have the lighter purple side, or you can wear it on the darker purple. Super cute. And then they also sent me these two little hair ties with like the little ears, and also this clip, and it's like pearl, but it's like a reddish pinky color, and also a pair of lashes. So that's everything that came in the box. So this is a 24-inch body wave, I believe, and it's a 5x5 closure wig. Sorry I didn't put makeup on and all of that, but I'm trying to let my skin get back to its regular state. You know, I got a little breakouts, but it's getting back good. So yeah, this hair turned out super cute. I just wanted to do something a little bit different than just like doing a middle part or something, because I feel like I always do a middle part, and like with a closure wig, a middle part is so typical. Doing a side part is a little bit different, or like putting it in a ponytail or something that's a little bit more tricky to do is, you know, not done as much. A middle part is the standard with a closure type wig. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute with the 5x5. I'm able to get more parting space for my little ponytail to be wider across. Of course, it's not a full all half up, half down, but it's like that little box in the middle, half up, half down. And yeah, you can kind of fix this hair however. The baby hairs, I just kind of played around with it, and I went for something a little bit kind of more dramatic today. So yeah, and then I added some hair accessories as well, just to play up the ponytail as well. I will link down below where I got these from in case anyone is looking for them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so I already curled the hair. You can see how the closure area looks. So I'm going to go in and tint the lace because this lace color was too dark. So I'm just using my Even New York tinted lace spray and just spraying it down. It's kind of like a spray makeup. Once I spray it down, I go in and blow dry it. Then I'm going to add a little bit more to fill in any areas and blow dry it once again, just to make sure that it's nice and dry before I put it on. All right, so I just have my stocking cap on. I'm going to push it back and clean off my hairline because I just put some oil. Just going to clean this area right in the center. Sorry I didn't put no makeup on, but I'm trying to get my skin back popping. For the wig, I have already curled the back and kind of styled it. I did want to do a braid like going up into my ponytail, but it just wasn't working, and I knew I couldn't do it like on my head, so I tried to do it on the mannequin, but it wasn't working. So I'm gonna just do a ponytail at the top, and this lace is darker. If you can see, the lace is not like the perfect match for me, so I did tint the lace just to try to get it closer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on. Okay. She already looks pretty good. Like, I don't know if y'all could see, but she's crooked. And the cap underneath is just going to help highlight underneath a little bit more, and also you know, cover my hair so that my oil and everything that I have on my hair is able to stay locked in place and stuff. Okay, so just want to position the wig, get it right in the center. The ponytail is crooked, but like the ponytail is lined up, but this part is crooked. I need to pull it over some. So yeah, it looks pretty good. The lace is definitely darker, so we're gonna see if we can fix that. I hate when that happens, when I get lace that's too dark. So you just want to line it up. I wanted to use a new product today, but I want to use them together because it's two things. So I'm just going to use this instead. This is the Got To Be High High Hold Hairspray. So yeah, this is by Got To Be. It's the one in the purple and blue container. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on, and also use my blow dryer. So I'm gonna go right in between this area where the ponytail starts and the baby hairs, and you just want to make sure that you have this down enough. Okay. Oh, and also another thing, before I start spraying, I almost forgot, I like to cut off these little pieces on the sides because I feel like your lace will lay down better whenever you start to lay it. So just go in and remove these little side pieces because it's like lace that is layered up, like it's sewn twice, like folded together. So it's harder for that part to lay flat versus the rest of the lace that's just one layer. So I like to go in and cut that off. Okay, so now we are left with that. I'm gonna brush the baby hairs back down. Make sure my wig hasn't shifted back or anything. Make sure we're lined up perfectly, and spray. Okay. So I wanted to voice over this part because y'all know a blow dryer is super loud. So I'm just taking the blow dryer and a rat tail comb. This is actually an edge brush, but I'm just using the rat tail of it to press the lace into place while I am blow drying it to make sure that it is sticking down where I want it to stick it. And you can see that this wig is pretty good. It's giving scalp. So I'm just spraying once again another layer of the hairspray and then blow drying it into place once again. And then I'm also going to take my comb again and press that into place in just a second. I was kind of letting the spray dry a little bit, and then I'm going to grab the comb and just press it back into place and blow dry it down. Okay, so after I have blow dried it into place, I'm just going to pull the baby hairs up out of the way so that we can go ahead and cut off the excess lace. Okay, here's also being sure to kind of go at a zigzag, not completely straight cut. this off first. I'm going to spray again. After I've sprayed, this time I'm going to go back in with the blow dryer once again. Using the blow dryer really just helps to get your lace to melt into the skin even more. So I'm just kind of placing the rat tail down and holding it in place and blow drying it down. Okay, so since we got that done pretty good, I'm gonna go ahead and pull back down the baby hairs. Kind of brush them back down. Okay. Grab my eyebrow razor and go in and cut my baby hairs how I want them to be. I don't really know what kind of look I want. Now I am cutting the baby hairs off. I was kind of like too close trying to show y'all everything that I was kind of out of the frame, but y'all know how I do this. I just use an eyebrow razor to trim the hair down, and then I'm going to take my wrapping mousse and start laying the hairs into place. I kind of just laid them down a little bit first and then kind of seen what I was going to go for. I did do a little bit more dramatic type baby hairs with a little swoop in the center, which I normally don't really do. But yeah, I'm just using the wrapping mousse and a edge brush to brush the baby hairs into place how I want them to be. And just really simple and easy. Y'all know how the vibes is, okay? Period. Different for me. I don't usually do this kind, but I'm going to just see. I might end up changing them later, but I'm going to just take my ponytail a loose. So now working on my ponytail to mold it into place, I am taking my hot comb a bit and kind of brushing it up into place. And then I'm also going to take my wrapping mousse and just put some of that on to really sleek the ponytail into place and just style it up into the ponytail. It kind of dripped down, but y'all know how things get sometimes. Things get out of place and they do what they want to do. But the overall finished product was really cute. So I'm just going to tie the ponytail off with a little scrunchie, and then we can go in and start styling the actual ponytail. To style the ponytail, I did use the same curling iron that I used on this hair, but I did curl the hair off camera just to save time, and it's basically the same thing. So if you want to know how I got these curls, I just did the same exact thing to get the curls all over the hair as well, and I just went, you know, section by section, layer by layer. So I'm just going to curl the ponytail in several little pieces just to make the ponytail fuller and full of curls. So as you can see, I just did a little curl. Then I'm going to let it cool off in my hand for a second before I actually drop it. And you can see it's nice and curled, really cute little curly Q. And then I'm going to grab another section of hair and continue to curl. And I'm just going to do this all throughout the ponytail. So I kind of clipped or jump to the next clip where most of the ponytail is curled, and I'm just showing you another piece for anyone who is trying to see how I actually do it and, you know, spin the curling iron around and curl the hair. So yeah. So once I have completed my curls, now I'm going to go back in and try to correct the color of the lace because the lace is a bit darker. The tint already did help, but I'm just using some powder foundation. This is the MAC, I forget the name of it, but y'all know what it is, the MAC powder foundation, and I'm just using that in my skin tone color and just placing it at the lace line. And also like in between where the baby hairs and everything is at, and also in the parting area, just to make the lace match my skin color better. And this works pretty good for any lace that is a little bit darker than your actual skin tone. And then I'm going to take my wrapping mousse and just put that back on top to melt the powder into the skin and into the lace. Then you can pat the mousse into place, or sometimes I like to use a blow dryer to help the melting process speed up a little bit more. So I'm just using the blow dryer to melt the wrapping mousse into place. Okay, so I'm still letting the powder set in, but I'm just going to go ahead and finger comb it out. Let's see. Okay. Okay, doll, so this is the completed look of the hair. It's a little bit later after I did the video because I did go and give my baby a bath and get her dressed and all of that. So the curls probably dropped just a tad, but I've been in the house. But yeah, you can kind of fix this hair behind the ear even though it's not a frontal, and it still works, or whatever you really want to do. And I think it turned out cute, just real easy and kind of effortless, and the curls look really nice. I used a I didn't say in the video, but I used this, and this is a set that comes with some curling ones, and it also comes with some like regular clip curling irons as well. And this is the 25 size, whatever that means, I don't know, but I think this is like the smaller one that comes in the set like this. This is made by Anjou, A-N-J-O-U. I will try to link it down below if I can remember or even find it. But yeah, I think this hair turned out cute. And it's a nice length. The hair is really soft and nice. I will have to say that the hair is bomb. So I'll definitely style this up, you know, like with the middle part or whatever and stuff too. But I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So yeah, if y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.